manufacturing is coming back. People are talking about insourcing back in country and things like that because of supply chain issues, everything that we're all reading about, if you just even a casual read of the Wall Street Journal. Is this a fundamental sea change in terms of how big companies are looking at their suppliers? Or is this, and I'm not asking you to be like Warren Buffett here, I'm just, but just your feeling.
Yeah,
or
sure.
is this something that's something a little bit stickier than that?
Well, I believe that manufacturing's always been an industry, an untapped industry. And so currently the numbers, are the proof in the pudding, right? But nonetheless, there's always going to be a need for things. And again, as makers, we touch lives. So I don't believe that this industry will ever die. Developing and building a workforce is, I think, our biggest challenge, even with the supply chain issues that we're currently facing. I feel like the workforce is a huge challenge for most job shops, big factories. And I know everyone's facing that challenge, but I think manufacturing has a stigma to break through. And, it's no longer dirty, dark, and grimy. So as far as business and investing, there's no better place than to invest in manufacturing.